Meaning of imbecilic.
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 Imbecilic. The word imbecilic is an adjective that refers to something or someone who is extremely foolish, stupid, or lacking intelligence. When describing a person or behavior as imbecilic, it implies that the individual in question has a low level of mental capacity and is likely incapable of making informed decisions. This term is often used to express disapproval or dissatisfaction with someone's actions or beliefs. Overall, being labeled as imbecilic is not a positive trait, as it suggests a lack of critical thinking skills and logical reasoning ability.